If you have a website that has multiple pages and you want to organize them, you're going to want to go into the Pages section on the right side. And from here, you can simply click and drag to reorder all of the different elements of your website. So you can drag them up and down. That changes their location in your navigation bar. You can also, if you have things like the folders, the menu sections, you can drag and drop things inside of that. You can also drag pages on top of pages to be able to create drop-downs. Once it is inside of a drop-down, you can take it back out simply by dragging it out and dropping it. So all of these can be reordered at any time. You can adjust them in whatever way works for you.